So the JL 2018 did probably the 21 will be exactly the same, and the Gladiator all have these screws that hold this molding on. This is a T25 star bit. We want to pull those out and just do them one at a time. Don't pull them all out and then do them together. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these little hooks on them. Now at first it might look like that doesn't go through there because it hits. Just screw it a little bit, it'll go right through. So this is how your soft top headliner is going to hook on. These are going to attach to the JL frame. It's very easy to do. We're going to show you how to do that. You're going to have to put 18 of them on. We're always going to send you a couple extra if you break one, so you don't have to worry about it. Stick it right into the hole. Don't tighten them too tight. We've already put all of them in. There is 7. You're going to put the first 7 in. There's 2 in the front. The next 4, or the next 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's, if you can see all of those, and then there's 4 in the back. 4 right here. There are a couple more down the side, but you don't need them for the purposes of the soft top. Okay, so here's how we're going to install it. All the bungees are in place. You have all of your hooks on. All you have to do, this is the front of it, is get this thing up over your sound bar, which there's no easy way to do that. Just kind of toss it over, step up here. All we got to do is kind of get it semi in place. Okay, now the first one right here, we're just going to pull it around, and you're only going around the metal bar, not the actual frame of the soft top. And hook it on one of those hooks, just loose, only one side. We want to get it loose first. I'm going to go around the other side and hook one also. I'm just going to grab one of these, slide it through there, hook it on. I'm going to come around the back. I will show you on that side in just a second. Again, I'm only hooking one of the hooks. I'm not hooking both of them. Okay, so probably if you come over to here, you'll be able to see fairly well. Now we got one hook there, one across. I hooked this one right here. And you have to get it, the frame of your soft tops right here. You got to get it underneath that, which requires a little dexterity. I'm just going to, well, you can hook both. If you hook one, then it's kind of loosely in place and it's easier to get everything hooked up. I'm going to take one of these and just kind of hold it there, just so we want the thing just to sit in place really easily. Hook one of these back ones. Okay, so it's just kind of sitting right there. From there, we're going to jump in the driver's seat, or you could jump in the passenger seat. I'm going to grab the top, pull it down, and from there here, I'm just going to latch the top down. And now the front, it has this little bead in it. All it does is just shove straight up into the sound bar. That little bead is going to catch on the rim right there. It's going to look perfectly finished. Now the top's just kind of sitting here. So what we're going to do is go all the way around the back. We're going to hop up in here, grab this thing, kind of pull it back snug. We have these bungees right here and the hooks we put in. We're going to hook it and then hook it. Hook this one. Hook that one. It's a little bit tight. Pull your corners up nice and tight. Just kind of pull on it snug so you know that it's snug. And then all you got to do is go around and finish doing your hooking it to that one. This was the short one. This is probably the hardest one to kind of get at. The reason we hook these together so you don't have to do this with every one. There's plenty of room. It stretches right there. Now come around the back there. I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing. This bungee, it hooks around that and then comes and hooks to there. So it goes through this one and then hooks to the back, which makes it tight. Can you see that?
Yep.
I'm going to finish doing this one. Now I'm going to go around the other side. I'm going to push that bead up in there. And if you need to push down on the top to get that bead pushed all the way in there, it's easiest just to stand up on top and push it down. And that's it.